Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, my students. Welcome back to my class, Interpersonal Speaking. This is meeting 7, by the way. So it means that after this meeting, you are going to have your midterm test for this class, by the way, right? Not only my class, actually, but all the classes here in English Education Department, right? And by the way, for the interpersonal speaking class, we are going the midterm test itself we're going to cover the material from meeting 1 until meeting 7. So basically, you have to remember all of them, like introduction, small talk, and then expressing your emotion, feeling, making agreement and disagreement, and the others. You have to cover that. You have to understand that, and during the what is that in the midterm test you have to implement that, or you have to perform that, speak up with that types of the material that Mr. Hari has already given for you. Okay, now for this meeting 7 we are going to talk about 3 different functions. And what are those functions, by the way? Let's check this out. Okay, for the first material that we are going to cover for this meeting is all about making an opinion. Okay, I'm sure that everyone has already familiar with the way or with the expression of making opinion, like what is your opinion, blah blah blah. And now we are going to focus more about this, and after that I hope that everyone here, I mean all of you, you can do better in making your opinion and giving your opinion. Oh sorry, not only making, however also in asking for the opinion. Jadi nggak cuma ngasih opini tapi juga bertanya tentang opini ya, dua-duanya, by the way. Okay, students, now let's start talking about for the first materials today, asking for opinion. Okay, now from this slide, Mr. Hari would like to share some expression that you can use in order to ask for opinion, or the way we ask for opinion from the others. Like the example is number 1, like how was the movie last night, or how was the concert last night? Do you like it? Do you think that it's wonderful? Oh yeah, I think it's wonderful, or this movie is so overrated for me. Oh my gosh. Blah blah blah. You can ask by yourself. You can answer it by yourself. You can have your own opinion about that. Or you can talk about the class that you have here in Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. Like, how do you like interpersonal speaking class? Oh, interpersonal speaking class is blah blah blah. Or what do you think about the teacher? Mr. Hari, yeah, Mr. Hari is so. It's up to you. It's your answer. Yeah, you can give your own opinion regarding this class. Or how does this report looks to you? Laporan ini gimana menurut kamu? Do you have any comment on this idea? Or is there anything you'd like to say about this issue? Maybe in the issue of COVID-19, or the issue of what is that? Trump versus Biden, or maybe the issue about what is that? Pilkada election in Solo. It's up to you. Is there anything you'd like to say about this issue? Oh, udah ya. Do you think that she was fair to him? I think, in my opinion, they are perfect couples, for example. What do you think of this marketing plan? It's good, but I think it needs more touching from. It needs more touch from millennials, for example. How do you feel about birth control, or KB? In your opinion, would Gibran make a good measure of Solo? Do you think so or not? It's up to you. You can give the opinion about that. Okay, and how to give the opinion? Now let's go to the next slide. This one. It was a great lecture. I got so many insight and new perspective from this lecture, by the way. This example number 1, I think it's all about the class on the lecture, the opinion about the class or the lecture, by the way. Or talking about your hairdo. What do you think about my hair? Oh, I really like your hairdo. You look so beautiful in that. Misalnya ya. I feel that there is a lot of injustice in Indonesia. In my opinion, the law in Indonesia is not working. hukum di Indonesia itu nggak jalan misalnya. Yeah, this is the opinion. Or what I think is that we should look for the new sales plan. Frankly speaking, I think the movie was wonderful. It was the best movie ever. I see. If I were you, I would quit the job. This is so frustrating, misalnya ya. And for the next example is about the opinion about Gibran. In my opinion, Gibran will be a good manager of Solo since he has a lot of managerial experience. He has Chili Pari, he has what else? Markobar and any others experience. And yeah, he works a lot. He has so many background of the he has a good experience, and plus he has a good role model in his father, of course, Mr. Jokowi. Yeah, he has the role model, sorry. He can be like his father maybe for in the future. That's the way how to give the opinion, for example. And actually there are still so many example of the expression that you can use. Here in this slide, Mr. just give you some example you can find by yourself by googling in the internet, by the way. Now for this slide, Mr. Hari would like to give you some examples in dialogues or conversation. The first example is from the conversation between Alan and Bobby. They are talking about the movies, Terminator movies. Do you know this movie? I think some of you or most of you maybe know about this movie, right? All about Go Back from the Future. Robert Go Back from the Future, right? Hey Bob, what did you think of the new Terminator films? Well, in my opinion, it wasn't as good as the other ones. I didn't find the storylines believable. Yeah, true, it was strange. Okay, yeah, from this example, Bobby think, or in Bobby opinions, the new Terminator movie is not as good as the older one. He prefer the older ones like Terminator 1 and 2. You know that? Last Terminator movie is talking about the woman's Terminator, or yeah, Mr. Hari watched this movie, but I didn't really. I a little bit forget about the story. And the next example is about the conversation between Jenny and Tom. They are talking about football match, by the way. Jenny said, "I don't know what to do. I want to watch Liverpool versus Chelsea match, but I have a test tomorrow. I should probably study." That's a tough one. What class is that? It's interpersonal speaking class. Oh, I've heard that is really easy. If I were you, I would enjoy the game. Wow. In Tom's opinions, the test will be quite easy. So if Tom were Jenny, it would be better for her to just watch the movie and forget the test, because the test is going to be easy in his opinion, of course, ya. Jadi itu contohnya ya. And for this next slide, this is another example of asking and giving opinion conversation, by the way. This conversation are from Murai and Emily. So Emily, your party has voted against raising wages. What do you think of that? Well, I respect their decision, but I do not necessarily agree with it. I have very different view on this issue. What do you mean? Well, personally, I think people work very hard for their money, and I think they deserve even more than they get at the moment. Interesting. That's very different out of your party's view. Well, as I said, this is my personal view, and I cannot change that. Jadi, apa namanya? Siapa ini? Emily, she has their own personal opinion related to the issue about the raising wages. Apa itu namanya? Kenaikan gaji atau UMR mungkin kalau di bahasa Indonesianya, ya kan. And here Emily point of view is quite different with the party that she joined, by the way. Jadi beda dengan partai yang dia dukung, ya kan. Karena partainya itu kan vote against raising wages. Partainya itu vote against menolak kenaikan gaji atau UMR, tapi justru malah Emily think that people work very hard and they deserve more money from what they get right now. Jadi orang-orang itu sudah bekerja keras dan lebih seharusnya memang mendapatkan banyak gajinya itu lebih tinggi dari yang sekarang. That's what Emily's opinion from the issue. And the next, that was the material of asking and giving opinion. And for the next materials, now we are going to cover more about we are going to cover from this picture. Maybe some of you can guess what we are going to learn about. Yeah, it's about making a decision. Yeah, ini ceritanya, gambarnya. This picture show that this person getting confused to decide which way he wants to go. He, right? Ya, dia bingung mau milih mana. So for this one we are going to talk about making decision. And this is the example of the expression how to ask about the decision. Have you decided where you want to go for dinner? Udah milih belum tempat yang mau dipakai buat makan malam misalnya? Have you reached a decision? What's your decision? Did you accept his proposal? Nah, ini ceritanya orang habis dilamar ya. Have you changed your mind? Apakah kamu udah berubah pikiran? Misalnya kayak when you are having a interview or job interview and then you reject, you cancel the interview because you think that the salary is not enough for you, and suddenly when you get home you feel that I think I have changed my mind. I think this job is good for me misalnya kan. And then have you changed your mind? Yeah, I think I'm going to take the job. Yang tadinya nolak pekerjaan akhirnya ambil pekerjaan. You can do that. Or what have you decided to do after you graduate? Oh, maybe I'm going to have my own company. I'm going to start my own company. I do not want to work for the others. Saya nggak mau kerja buat orang lain. Saya pengen bikin perusahaan sendiri. That's yours. Or maybe after I graduated, I decided to continue my master degree. Of course, in the foreign country, maybe in Australia or in UK. Yeah, you have your own decision. Another example, for example, here. Have you figured out which one you want? Ini misalnya kalau lagi jalan-jalan mau belanja milih sesuatu ya. Have you figured out which one do you want? Or which do you choose? Yang mana yang mau kamu pilih? Okay. And how to decide or state your decision? This is the example, by the way. I have decided that I'm going to quit my job. Wah, aku udah memutuskan keluar pokoknya. I've decided to sell my car. I want to change it with the new one. Or I have decided to accept his proposal. I'm so happy right now. Oh, menerima lamaran ceritanya ya kan. I want the blue one. It looks so nice in me. Misalnya, for example, this is when you are going hang out with your friend in the supermarket and you saw the beautiful necklace. There are two necklaces, red and blue one, and then you say to your friend that, oh, I want the blue one. It looks nice in me. Kalungnya yang biru lebih bagus. I give up smoking. From now on, I will start a healthy lifestyle. From now on. Ini kalau lagi awal-awal biasanya semangat banget. From now on, I will start the healthy life. I will never touch smoke, or I will never touch cigarette anymore. Tapi setelah 2-3 bulan, we don't know. Biasanya kan kayak gitu kan, setelah 2-3 bulan udah gak kuat, rokok lagi ya. I give up smoking from now on. I will start udah. Next example, now that I think about it, I don't need this TV set. I need the bigger one. It's going to be more comfortable for me to play PES with my friends. Misalnya kan. I've decided to continue my study in UMS. I heard it is one of the top universities in Indonesia. Of course it is. UMS is one of the greatest university in Indonesia. Maybe the greatest one. I'm not. Yeah. I think one of the tops. No, not the greatest maybe. But one of the top universities. Salah satu yang terbaik. I've changed my mind. I will forgive everything he's done. That's so wise. Also naif. Biasanya tuh bijak atau naif ya kalau misalnya I will forgive everything he's done to me. setelah apa yang dia lakukan padaku semuanya. Pokoknya tak maafkan dia. Yeah, it's your decision. Okay, now this is the example. Can you see this? Sorry, I think it's a little bit blurred by the way. The example is the conversation between the husband and wife talking during the tea time, sorry. Tom, darling, I have decided that I don't like the wallpaper in the living room. Oh, that's nice, dear. What made you decide that? The living room is always so dark. You can hardly see a thing in there in the evening. Okay, then let's change the wallpaper. Go downtown and choose something tomorrow. I've already made my choice. What do you think of this? Oh, ceritanya ini udah milih ya, yang wife atau istrinya tadi ya. Milih wallpaper baru di ruang tamunya. And the next example is from the two conversation is one. Two neighbors in an apartment building begin talking. I hear that Mr. Jack has decided to raise the rent again. So soon? When did he decide that? Last week. I think it's unfair. I'm not going to pay it. What choice do you have? Well, we can fight it. If that doesn't work, we can always choose to move out. Oh, ini ceritanya apa? Pak Kos naikin harga. Pak Kos atau Bu Kos naikin harga. However, one of them, they decided to fight. I do not want to pay. But if Mr. Jack still raise it, I will go out. Kalau nggak tetap mau nggak nurunin, pindah. That's the example. Yeah. And the next example is from the two secretaries talking during morning break. Well, today's the big day. You're actually going to go in and ask him for a raise? He doesn't seem to be in a very good today, does he? Maybe I should wait. Are you changing your mind again? Yesterday you decided you'd do it today. Go ahead, get it over with. On second thought, I don't need the money that badly. Oh, ceritanya apa ini? Two secretaries talk. One of them wants to get the raise, pengen mendapatkan kenaikan gaji ya kan. However, after the second thought, setelah dipikir-pikir kok, I think it's not a good day for asking the raise because the boss maybe is not in a good mood by the way. And then she said also, I don't need the money that badly. Saya nggak begitu butuh duit sih sebenarnya. So that's why I think she's going to change his mind. Jadi akhirnya kan ceritanya nggak jadi lagi ya. Decided not to go or decided to cancel her efforts to ask for the raise for the salary. Nggak jadi minta kenaikan salary ya. Okay, that was the example by the way for the making decision. And now the last material that we are going to discuss today is about, where is this from the picture? Yeah, when you are the person on the top here, when you fell yourself down, ketika kamu jatuhkan diri kamu, what you have to do is just to believe, ya kan? So from this picture, it's all about the belief. Jadi ceritanya gambar itu adalah orang yang percaya sama orang yang di bawahnya, ya kan? So by the way, today we are going to talk about how to express our belief to somebody else, or how to ask for belief, or how to convince the others, meyakinkan, ya kan? There are some expressions that you can use by the way, like this one. Believe me when I tell you I'll never leave you alone. Percaya loh, I will never leave you alone. Gak akan pernah ninggalin kamu. So sweet. You better believe that he'd take advantage of you. Kamu harus percaya loh, dia tuh cuma ngambil keuntungan dari kamu. I swear to you that I love you to the end of the world. Ini gombal banget ini ya. I love you to the end of the world. Kiamat aja masih lama kok. Iya kan? Sampai itu. You have my word on that. Kamu bisa pegang kata-kataku. Trust me. Don't you trust me? Have faith in me. Wah, ini ceritanya lagi meyakinkan. Percaya tuh sama aku. And then on the right one, di sebelah kanan ini adalah some expression when you are not so sure about your belief to somebody else. Ketika kalian nggak yakin atau nggak percaya sama orang. Are you kidding? Oh, you're kidding, right? That can be. That's unbelievable. That's incredible. Nonsense. Apa itu nonsense? Omong kosong. I don't believe you. Your story sounds fishy to me. Ceritanya kayaknya kok nggak yakin ya aku ya. Baleni ini sama aja kayak nonsense ya kan, semacam kayak membual, omong kosong lah. You're full of it. You're full of it. Bisa juga, tapi lebih kasar ya. You're full of it. I don't trust you. I have no faith in you. Aku nggak percaya sama kamu ya kan. If you are believe, you can say I believe you. I trust you. I have complete faith in you. I believe that he is innocent misalnya. Oh, ini ceritanya percaya tentang orang lain ya kan, bukan sama kamu. I believe that he is innocent. I'm convinced that we arrested the right person. Saya yakin kita tuh udah nangkep orang yang benar. That's conversation maybe from the police officers. Misalnya dari apa itu petugas polisi yang nangkap orang gitu ya kan. And so here is the example of the conversation. The policeman is talking with the homicide detective. Seorang polisi ngobrol dengan detektif pembunuhan ya kan. What do you think, Lieutenant? Do you believe his story? I'm not sure whether to believe him or not. Part of it's believable, part isn't. How about you? You believe him? As for me, I'm convinced he's lying. How can a man wake up when a gun goes off 2 feet from his ears? Jadi ceritanya ada pembunuhan, apa ini? dia detektifnya itu some part believe, however some part isn't. Percaya sama nggak percaya. But from the police officer, he's convinced that the one who said is lying. Jadi percaya kalau sebenarnya tuh dia tuh bohong ya kan. And the next one is the conversation between the man and woman on their first date, kencan pertama ya kan. Joyce, please believe me when I say I love you. I do. But Will, how can I believe you? This is our first date. I know, it's a little early in our relationship. However, I'm convinced you are the woman for me. Will, stop it now. What do you know about me? So this is the conversation between two person, woman and man, and the first date, and directly the man saying that he loved her so much. However, the woman feels so uncomfortable with that statement, by the way. Of course, everybody will feel uncomfortable when the first date directly the man say I love you to her, ya kan? Tiba-tiba kok baru kencan pertama langsung bilang I love you, you are the life of my life, blah 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 blah. Don't do that, you guys, as a man. Bagi laki-laki jangan pernah gitu ya. Slowly, slow and slow. Pelan-pelan aja. That will be good approach, not direct like that. Okay? And so here we are. This is the activity for you. Actually, this is the part that you have already been waiting for, right? The most part that you are really waiting for. Bagian yang paling ditunggu-tunggu for you, of course. And for the activity for you for this week, Mr. Hari will not ask you to work in pair anymore. However, for this activity, I want you to make a group of 3 or 4 person from the same class. If you're from A, make a group from A classes. If you're from F or C, you have to make a group consists of C and F classes. Jadi kelompoknya itu dari kelas yang sama ya kan. And then what you have to do is just make a conversation video for about 5 until 7 minutes. The topic and the situation of the conversation is free. You can decide what the topic or what the situation, whatever you want. And then you must the most important thing is you have to use the expression that Mr. Hari has already discussed from the beginning until the end of this slide. It's about asking and giving opinion, making decision, and believing or convincing. And then, of course, in that video, those 3 or 4 person must exist. Semuanya 4-4-nya atau 3-3 orang tadi itu harus semuanya ada di video itu ya. And then after that, upload it in YouTube, like usual, of course. Biasanya upload it in YouTube and then share the link to Mr. Hari in the comment of this video. Okay. So Mr. Hari will be waiting for your video for this. Okay. Well, I think that's all for the material today. Thank you very much and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.